This is what the drone sees, which is my feet right now. So guys, I'm gonna fly it around and show you guys some drone footage. Hey guys, this is Scarecrow here. Today I'm gonna be flying my drone. So guys, I got the drone out and I got it set up. This is what the drone sees, which is my feet right now, and then the controller. So we're gonna get in there and get back safe. So now guys, we're taking off with the drone. So guys, I'm gonna fly it around and show you guys some drone footage. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. This is Scarecrow signing off. Until next time, see y'all then.